I love my sandwich.
How is it?
So good.
Let us see your shirt. How old are you, 5?
I think I'll have this tail chip now. Why? This is really good when you're sick at your stomach.
Just so you guys know, I ate the same thing, and it tasted really good.
It's got delicious.
When your parents know how you act when you're not with them. They must think I'm crazy.
This is me.
I don't like barbecue on my hamburgers, Sandy. Sorry.
Then you and Jeannie said you want to put duct tape on my mouth.
Have you ever taught at counseling?
Have you?
I don't need it.
Just 3/4 of the way to go. Ooh. Stop it. I haven't washed my hair yet today. What?